Hi, and welcome back to the channel. We are continuing Demon Slayer. We did it. We finished season 1. Now we're going into season 2, or more precisely, the Mugen Train arc. And we've said it several times before that, we're going to be watching them in episodic form. Not going to do the movie. Sorry to all of those wow, I can't talk.
All those of you out there
who are really hoping for us to react to the full movie. Like, we're still gonna get the experience just in portions. So no matter what, I'm definitely looking forward to continuing, because I think they've set the stage for something that's gonna be really quite something special here.
Yes, and I've been looking forward a lot to this. We have not been able to watch anything for 2 weeks now.
Yeah.
And I've really been looking forward to this. And there's a lot of people simply not believing that we enjoy this series for some reason, but
because we're not jumping up and yelling and
I don't know. I don't particularly know the reason why they don't believe it, but I just want to just very much iterate, very much underline that I really enjoy this, and I've been looking very much forward to watching more of this.
Yeah. Like, you've been telling me pretty much every day for the last couple of weeks that, like, I can't wait to continue watching. Like, I can't wait to get into the Mugen Train arc. So here we are. It is still, season 2, episode 1, and it is titled Flame Hashira Kyojuro. God damn it. Stop it. The title just went away. Flame Hashira Kyojuro Rengoku. So that's his full name, and we've talked about him plenty, about what we sort of expect with what might happen to him, and yada yada yada. So let's get into it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good. Before we do, though, I do want to ask you guys to please, you guessed it, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, all that good stuff. Also, check out that Patreon page where we are several episodes ahead. We're since this arc is only 7 episodes long, we're done with it over on Patreon at this point in time, at least with the uncut reaction. So if you want to watch a reaction to the entirety of the Mugen Train arc now, and you don't mind syncing it up to your own copy of the episode, you can do that over on Patreon. There's also the early reactions that are cut down, where we are at least 4 episodes ahead with those as well. So check it out if you want, and we always really, really, really appreciate the support. But now let's get into it. Here we go. This is different. The train. Huh.
Yep.
Oh. Ooh. All right. And we've been told to not look at the intro, at least here to begin with, because there might be spoilers. So is this the intro, or no? No, okay. There he is. Tasty!
おやじさん、この若者にも同じものを。よろしいのですか？もちろんだ。俺ももう一杯もらおう。
Me? Or has the animation just gotten even better?
医師が言うには傷跡も残らないで済むということです。
そうか。処置が早くてよかった。
はい。ご活躍のおかげです。
Wow.
It looks so good.
That looks so appetizing. And it's not even real.
Well.
Oh.
これは？俺のおごりだよ。親父さん、景気はどうかな？
どう見えるね。
悪いな。
この沿線で切り裂き魔ってのが出てるせいで。
Slasher.
それに無限列車ってのが運行中止になっちまっただろう。噂じゃな。40人ばかり乗客が神隠しにあっちまったって言うぜ。
Damn. 40.
去機関庫に人目につかぬよう搬入されたとの情報が。
そうか。 うまい。
お客さん、今日も少なかったね。
明日のお手伝いはお昼からにしようね。夜は鬼が出るから。
見て回りましたが変わったところはありませんね。
うむ。
鬼なんかいないよ。
Hmm?
鬼の話、おばあちゃんが切り裂き魔に襲われたらどうするの？
あんたの身代わりなら本望だよ。
おばあちゃん。
やあこんばんは。気持ちのいい月夜ですね。俺は鬼を探しているもの。いきなり。
京十郎様、担当直入が過ぎます。
That's his whole thing. Very blunt, forward, and enthusiastic.
そんなにブルブルしていたら大切なアンパンを落としてしまうぞ。うまい。
I actually really like him.
そのような人々が傷つけられることは決してあってはならない。
Aw.
安心するがいい。切り裂き魔は俺が片付ける。では。
もしよけ
Take
れ
the
ば。
box.
Would you like? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
そうだな。全部いただこう。
Good man. Oh, and then he has to
Aw.
carry. Wow, this is a lot.
最後に良い土産ができたな。
Ah, okay.
ここからは俺一人で行く。では。
Bless you.
早く帰るよ服。どうも嫌な感じがしてきたわ。まるで背筋が凍るような。
So this is the train we saw leave in the first season?
Yeah, at the end, the
At
one
the
that
end?
Tanjiro and the others boarded.
誰だ。俺は見ての通りの弁当売りだ。
Ah, which isn't suspicious at all.
無限列車。それならもう車庫にはありませんよ。今朝方設備の整った整備工場へ運ばれて行きました。あそこですが。
では俺はここで降りるとしよう。
Okay, yep.
降りるって。
Bye. Okay, so yeah, no, that wasn't the train, but he's heading to, of course, the actual Mugen Train now.
But still with the lunch boxes.
Yeah. Still gonna need his cover.
Sure.
Sure.
車体に原因があるわけねえのに。巷では人食い列車だなんだと噂されて、それが俺たちは悔しいんだ。
運行再開。
ああ、明日の夜だ。
鬼がいるぞ。
There is? Holy, yeah, okay.
下がっている。
Aw,
やろ
it's just a young boy.
う。なんだ、この匂いは。
The bento boxes?
鬼になってからこっち、人間の食い物が気色悪くて仕方がねえ。
俺の知る人々が真心込めて作った弁
How dare you!
うまそうな人間は食っちまうが、まずいやつは夜通し傷つけて楽しむんだ。
当不愉快なやつだ。
悔しかったら俺を。このガキを抱えてたら切りにくいよな。人殺にやっちまった方がいいか。
助けて。
君は必ず俺が助ける。
I hope you're right.
別の女を飽きるまで切り刻んでやったぜ。
Wow, he is one despicable demon.
逃げ足だけは確かに早いようだな。
何？
Trash
昨夜
talk.
の被害者も俺たちが迅速に処置した。傷跡も残らず回復するだろう。
Wow.
その女、もう一度殺しに行ってやる。
彼女の身柄は隠している。お前に見つけ出すことは不可能だ。
じゃあその弁当売りだ。
俺とは関係のない人たちだ。
Don't you dare.
助けたいなら俺より早く駅まで来ることだ。その前にこいつ殺しておくとする。
Ooh. Nice. Alright, he saved him. Damn. Fucking Flash?
Seems like it.
But that's not the demon that we saw earlier. Like,
No, but that was. You sure?
whoa. Okay. He can run pretty damn fast as well.
Is that why they call him the Flame Hashira?
Because he's
So fast that.
just leaves a trail of flames. Fuck.
お前だな。くせえ弁当の匂いが染みついていやがる。
Oh.
逃げるんだよ、
Oh, I have a feeling the grandma's not gonna make it.
Well, she did say she would sacrifice herself for her.
Yeah.
But now he's out there.
Come on,
for,
come on,
yeah,
come on. Oh.
どうやって追いつきやがった。過信するなと言ったはずだ。試してみようじゃねえか。俺がこのババアの喉を切り裂くのが先か、お前が俺の首を取るのが先か。試すには及ばない。お前は。
Good luck, really? Oh, he didn't even move. Wait, she's seen him before?
Maybe a descendant? Like, no, you know, like an ancestor, sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
服の母親は20年前あなたに助けていただきました。
Wow.
きっと俺の父でしょ。
Yeah.
俺は父を継いで鬼を飼っているのです。父と同じようにあなたをお守りできたこと光栄です。
まだ信じられない。ごめんなさい、おばあちゃん。
Yeah.
鬼を知らず遭遇もせず、それで天寿を全うできるならそれが一番だ。
それは良かった。これで万事解決ですね。
それは請求すぎるな。
Yeah.
40人以上も食った鬼がこの程度であろうはずがない。
It's not. Yeah. Not
Yeah,
the
I was,
slasher.
yeah, I was thinking, yeah.
では明日無限列車に。
無論乗り込む。もう今日だがな。
無限列車が再運行だってよ。へえ。また妙なことが起きなきゃいいがな。
実は昨夜食べ損ねてな。これは何より嬉しい。しかし代金は払おう。
This one's on the house.
そこにある分を全部買おう。
Once again, buying all of them.
あなた方のことは父に必ず伝
Oh,
えま
his
す。
father's still alive.
ことでしょう。ではお元気で。また会いましょう。
There we go. What is going on? Why? Everyone looks kind of sick, or at least some of them do.
ではありがたくいただこう。
Tasty.
うまい。
Wow, that was like the music was completely.
Yeah. Oh, hey.
俺と勝負だ。うるさいからお前は黙ってろ。なんだとこれ。
Fucking idiots.
他の柱の皆さんが煉獄さんをどう思っているかだって。聞きたい聞きたい。
走る。全員勝負だ。
Sure you will.
いい人ですね。話が噛み合わない時がありますけれど。
派手。俺より目立つ。
フクロウみたい。 快活な声が心地よい人
Similar to an owl.
可愛がってもらいました。
よく話す性格がいい。
そうこんな感じみたいだ。あとは富岡さんは
よく話しかけてくれる。
だって。
Okay, that's it. Seems like he's very well liked.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Nope.
煉獄さん
みんな一緒に乗車しよう。兄貴
To be continued. All right.
Right?
Like there wasn't even an intro in this one.
No,
like,
perhaps
per se.
because this is like a separate thing. Like
Yeah. I think like, someone told us about that on Patreon, at least, that the first episode is basically like an introduction into what is then the Mugen Train movie that was divided up into 6 parts. I think something like that. And then there are some extra things added in the episodes that might not be in the movie besides this episode, I think. But I've really enjoyed it. Like, it was all about the Flame Hashira, and just like everyone else, it seems, I really like him.
Yeah.
And that makes me very afraid, because they, like, this entire episode and this whole bit towards the end, them just endearing him to us as viewers so much more, so that when he might die, which is something we've predicted, it's just gonna hurt that much more. And if he does indeed die during this arc, yes, it is going to hurt, because now we've seen his kindness and how good he is at his job, but also how he, again, with the kindness, just how he treats other people around him. And
At least the people, not demons. He does not like demons.
no, but
None of the Hashira does.
No, but like he still wasn't, like, he never got angry or bitter. Like, he was always, of good spirit, pretty much. Like, all he said was, "You are despicable," which is, that's pretty damn despicable, that demon. But even at the very end, when he was like, "Okay, I'll make your bet. Like, if I can get to her before you get to me, then I win. And then if you can get to me before I get to her, then you win," sort of a thing. And he was just like, "All right, good luck." Like, I didn't sense any. Yeah. He's just a very, very likable guy. So, obviously, afraid that something's gonna happen to him.
Especially also because in this episode, we learn that the grandma and she's met his father before, and she's been saved by him before. And then he says, "I'm going to tell you, like, I'm going to tell my father that I met you and I saved you."
Oh yeah.
So when you say something like that, I feel like that's just like a death sentence.
Yeah, as in that's not gonna happen, unfortunately. He's not gonna get to tell his father about it. Yeah, fuck. But I said it up top, but it feels like the animation has gotten even better than what it was before, especially with the backgrounds and the effects. Like, the characters stay very much the same, but then with the background and all the objects and like the smoke and the lighting, very much the lighting I felt was like they've stepped it up a notch with that as well here. So it's beautiful to watch. And I can't wait to see some even more beautiful animation down the line. And this slasher demon is just really fast, but not really, like, only killing humans when it found their, like, the smell of their blood appeared enticing.
Yeah.
But most of the time it seemed like it was like, no, like, if you smell bad, I'm just gonna play with you. And definitely does not like the smell of human food. Not at all. So that was a demon with a sensitive nose, but not like Tanjiro, but yeah, That
Yeah,
was one
that
of his
was-
traits.
I felt like something was a bit off when first off it was easy to kill, and like when it was dead, I was just thinking like, there's something up here because that seemed way too easy.
Yeah.
If this was supposed, because in the first season we learned that perhaps it was an upper tier, Kisuki, so, and that this he did not feel like an upper tier,
No.
like
not,
at all.
Not even close. Not even a lower tier. But we also saw a quick glimpse of that demon, supposedly the upper tier one, because it had like multiple eyes. We saw a quick glimpse
that's
in the train with like blood splatter, and it like turned around and looked at the camera, and we were like, oh, that's disgusting.
Yeah.
So we know that thing is there, but then there's also the only remaining lower tier demon, who's also on the train. So it's just 3 demons in total, 1 down, and that was the easiest. And now we have the only remaining lower tier, and then presumably an upper tier. And that's the first time we've ever encountered one of those. Besides Musan, who's like upper, like the boss demon, as you called him to begin with. Shit, yeah. This is gonna be really exciting. Do you have anything you wanna add to it?
Just very quick correction.
Yeah?
I mentioned that the the creator of Demon Slayer was a woman, and I've been corrected that they do not identify as a woman. So
okay.
I'm just terribly sorry about that. I just saw that someone mentioned it and just said a woman and didn't bother to check up on it, so that's on me. And I'm very sorry if I offended anyone.
Fair enough. Danish word of the day. I think it's pretty obvious what we're gonna go with here. Flame.
Flame. Oh, sure. Yeah.
Like it's also like the translation is fairly
almost 1-to-1.
Oh yeah, almost 1-to-1. You just add 1 letter, but flame in Danish is
Flamme.
Flamme. Yes, so another M, and then you sort of like pronounce the E at the end.
Yes, and I'm sorry, like I just mentioned this to you right before, but I recently had a discussion with someone on Discord.
Yeah.
About like what constitute like fire is you have fire, and then is
embers.
Yeah, is embers and fire is that the same, like are embers fire?
Yeah, does it fall under the fire category, same as flames?
Yeah, but then I just argue that I would say that fire is an umbrella term.
Yeah.
And underneath that umbrella term you have embers and you have flame, but those two are not the same.
No. One of them is a
but
low fire or like a,
it's I don't even know, but yeah.
Anywho, yeah.
I just thought it was a little funny how it just happened to
come full circle with
this, yeah.
All right. But again, flame in English, flamme in Danish. There you go. Danish word of the day. And that'll do it for this reaction and review of Demon Slayer Season 2, Episode 1. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you very soon. Bye.
Bye.